Now on 60-second booze reviews, Apothecary Nevermore Mead. So the guys at Apothecary, they're really good, really interesting what they do. Really small family-run company, just two of them working in the meadery from day to day. They're growing fantastically, but what they also do is their packaging is phenomenal. Look at that, absolutely beautiful packaging as always, even down to the fine detail, wax stamp. This is great if you want to give somebody a present and you really want to wow them with something interesting. The Nevermore itself is an Acerglyn, so that means in the fermentation they've got honey, but they've also got maple syrup. Now there aren't many Acerglyns on the market at all. In fact, this is the only one that we currently, at the moment, stock. I think it's a fantastic product, really interesting. They also use chai spices, which kind of blends with the maple really well. It's nice, easy drinking. I think if you've got somebody you want to introduce to me, this is a really good option because it's kind of got familiar flavors. But it's also, as I said, presented really beautifully. A really small, fantastic company who are producing some top quality meads.